That's on the E, A, and D string. So what I need to do is I need to move that over one string and work out the permutations for this. So we go 5th, root, 3rd. And now we've got an E shape. So we're still tapping into cage. You'll recognize these from the master triad shapes. So now all I need to do is I need to apply that same idea here. And we are not limited now to just playing this on string pairs, because the string pairs exist in subsets as well. So not only do we have the E and A string pair, the D and G string pair, and the B and E string pair, we've got an A and D string pair. But something funny happens here, but we have to compensate for it. But let me just write the scale out here as well, guys. So root, 2nd, 3rd, we've got the 5th, we've got the 6th here. Now this is going to be super, super, super useful. I think the easiest way that I think about it is coming from this position here. Look at that. This is an F sharp chord, a bar chord. All right, and I don't even need to put it on as a bar chord. I can cheat and put that finger down there. But this is what I'm thinking. When I strip it all back, guys, look. I've got that, yeah? It's the same thing. Bless them all. Yeah, if you want to hear the major triad in second inversion, bless them all. But we know, because it's a second inversion, we're going to have 5th, root, 3rd. So we take the root. Now all I do is I go up the leg. It's easy enough to go from your first finger and then drop in the rectangle. Or what you can do is draw the leg out first, slide into the rectangle. So look, it doesn't matter where you are. So this is just using the E shape.